bracelet match, it's a set. My brother name is $10. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish.
Wow, look at that. What a big drop of GA. You just saw one big candle and it just appeared. It just like ping. but now check this out, right? Think about it. Think about it from a logic point of view. Let's say, for example, we was in it and that big red candle was a big green candle that appeared in the opposite direction. That's 100 pips minus. So you got to look at it like, look, okay, cool. Called it. Like, yes, that was the expectation. But it is because we expected a spike first. Like, didn't expect it to be so aggressive. I thought it was going to be maybe just a little bit of a spike and then drop. But no, this one actually just dropped out of the sky. Literally nothing to do. So just leave it as it is. Leave it as it is, and then yeah, we'll revisit a little bit later and see where we are. Now, imagine the people that haven't read the messages on VIP. They're gonna wake up so lucky.
Massive profit.
Yeah, they're gonna wake up and be like, huh? What's Priyesh talking about clothes? Because think about it. Look, the entry was at 4.2, right? You know that from 4.2 to where price went, 146 pips. All right, guys, that's us done then. So let's call it a session and we will catch up later, see what happens with the spin with the Australian dollar. And then that's when it's going to be entries for us. Yeah? Cool. All right, catch up later then.
Went corporate, she wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect.
I just looked up and I was like, oh shit, there was an instruction, so yeah.
2 sprinters to Quebec. Cherie, où est mon bec?
You can see this big wheel. Oh gosh, so sorry.
She does this.
I was gonna say he always tells me that my hump speed is
absolutely not surprised. You know that your heart will skip a beat.
All right, let's try this one again. Let's try
look. She doesn't understand that you got to basically go to.
No, you didn't slow down that much.
Well, he's also like you.
Years back, they didn't mind anyone who speaks English teaching in English. However, maybe about a decade ago, they preferred native English speakers to teach English, which makes sense.
What I was going to say, I'm not going to say because the camera's on. Yeah.
King of the hill, you know it's a steep one. If we together, you know it's a brief one. Back in the ocean, you know it's a deep one. Forgave niggas and they feelings. Lucky for y'all, we don't do civilians. You say I changed, I say that I...
Yeah, so when we talk about people don't understand the vast amount of content that's pushed out per day, and then whatever we post today you may not see until 2 or 3 days later, depending on when it comes up on your feed. Another thing that people don't also realize is that we are very strategic, right? So we have something that we will post on Instagram and Facebook this month, yeah, will be then posted, let's say, on YouTube the following month, posted on TikTok that month, the same content, but over the course of 3 months, just like that. And so, and in that time, we've got a new batch coming from this one, which will then be pushed here, like that.
Like
and then so, because one of the worst things you can do is, and a lot of people get caught in this trap, is one piece of content, you make a bit of content, and today you post it on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, blah, blah, blah. You do the same piece of content on all platforms. But now think about this for a second, yeah? A lot of your followers, they may not just follow you on one platform, they may follow you on other platforms as well, right? Yeah. So do you think when they see the same content, I've just logged in, I've seen the same content of you, they're more than likely going to swipe the next time they see something because they see it again and again. But when it's different content from the same person, that's different. Zoheb's a great example. Yeah, great example. When have you ever seen anything twice on the same day? Never. No. Never. Right? And so I actually learned that from him. And then I thought, okay, so that's when I said to you, Connor, we got to be a lot more strategic. Thank you, bro. Yeah, a lot more strategic in how we do it. So it's got to be, and so when people say to me now, yo, Pri, I see your content everywhere. Good. That's how it should be. So it's working. Not the same piece of content, you know?
Thank you. That's quite heavy.
Cool. Thanks. Cool. All right, perfect. Let's eat, guys. Bon appetit. Bon appetit.
I'm letting God handle all things above. Things I can't change are the reason you love me.
Boys. How we doing?
Yes, Connor.
Hey,
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah,
You okay?
yeah, good. Thanks. How are you?
Brother.
How you doing?
I'm good, bro.
Good. Thanks. How are you?
Good.
Good.
Nice to
Good.
meet you.
Harsh.
Yeah,
Nice.
so that's Connor.
Officially get to meet everyone.
All my life I've been with intellect,
So, bro,
but
you
the
said
flow
for
is
a
like
rise of this
incest
force.
with the
Thank you.
generates.
So
Fucking
it's just
stupid
mad
and
how
fine
I'm
of
thinking about
interest is
yeah, chill, man.
It is. It's just there's lots of drama now with the GNUs. Like
Harsh, do me
a
a
lot
favour.
of the
Plug this in
a lot of
behind
the parties are not coming together since 1994 after everything that's happened. So there's a little bit of political drama going on, especially now.
bro,
in,
thank you.
There's a certain
Yeah,
part
yeah.
of South Africa ruled by the Zulu kingdom, and they.
Is that the guy that's one
Zuma.
that's been on stage
Yes, Zuma is there.
talking about Clinton and then?
No, so that's Julius. He doesn't like them at all. Yeah, so he's been shouting on stage, but he's been doing it for years now. We've kind of just learned to live with it. Yeah, it's like, ugh, which is wrong. And then, yeah, obviously Trump has to go and expose that to the world. That, but it is happening, yeah. So.
Steps when I'm on set, smooth predator.
Look at this, yeah. So we was in this trade, yeah, at 4-2. So 9-4-2 here. It was in this trade here. We got out here because the Aussie cash rate was going to come out. Expectation was obviously strength. We expected a spike first before it tanked. Got out. This thing collapsed 200 pips. 200 pips.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Are you guys on VIP? You're on VIP? We was in a trade. We got out earlier. Yeah. It was in a trade. We got out and it collapsed 200 pips.
No, yeah, because I was.
Oh, yeah, you was in it. Yeah, you was in
Yeah,
it.
all right, close.
Oh, I thought you said- so you-
And then all of a sudden I'm like, hold on.
Oh, so you managed to grab something then?
To be honest, I'm
Fair
not,
play.
No, I'm not. No, I didn't grab anything.
Nah?
I closed
Oh, so you closed at the same time as us?
Wait.
You told me to.
Oh, yeah, all of
Yeah,
us.
we all
I was
closed
good,
it,
but I
yeah.
listened to you.
Yeah.
Never again.
So what exactly are you guys struggling with? Or are you struggling? You know what, I'm just saying it. You might not even be struggling. You might, what do you mean, Fred? I'm not struggling. What do you think you are?
I don't know about you. I don't think I'm struggling. I want to learn more and maybe just shadow you guys and see how you do what you do.
I think the best thing is chart up a pair, yeah, and then see what you see. Okay, so this is what we do. Harsh, for you, go to Aussie Swiss franc, a Swiss franc. Go on the 1 hour time frame. Kind of zoom into that little area, and then map it out, and then see if you can replicate mine.
Alright.
Yeah, do that. Okay, and then now Nish, for you. Oh, look at GA 1 hour.
Oh, I think I see what you see.
All right, we're gonna have to go into a. You ready, Nish?
Yeah.
We might have to jump into something. Yeah, GA is next on the list, man. Did you get in?
Yeah.
See, these lot never hesitate.
What's that?
We miss trades and signals. These lot never hesitate. In straight away.
Even more. That's
I'm about to put a signal out. He's already in.
okay.
He's already in.
I did have an alert at
yeah.
that miner.
GA buy. That's what we're doing. Need to wait. Wait till it drops down, and then we're in. So we're gonna wait for price to get to this price that I've put down here. Yeah, this is current price, and see this is the confluence area. So I need it to come down to get a better entry, and then we're in. And then so that is basically going to be going out to my members on VIP. And so for example, Nish, who's sitting here, he's on VIP, and so he'll be able to capitalize on the trade straight away. And that is a great confluence with the other trade that we are also in. So GA to go up and Aussie Swiss to go down. It's Australian
You've got
dollar
the 8 hour and the.
weakness that we're looking for. And so yeah, it makes sense.
Oh, you're on the free. Oh, you're still on the freeze.
Trading view.
Yes.
You're the one that told me to wait till Black Friday.
Oh yes, for Black Friday. Oh yes. It is a good.
But what it means is that I don't get the alerts, so I have to physically watch the
Oh, do you not get alerts on the free version?
On what? For?
TradingView. Because remember,
Oh, they stopped that as well.
we normally
They stopped a lot of stuff on the free
it?
version because, for example, we didn't need the paid version, and all my tips and tricks were all on the free one. Yeah, and there's obviously other traders that are figuring out that there's tips and tricks. Yeah, and they're also, as a trading, you're thinking, what? Let's put this into the pay one. Like even time frames. You can't even put more time frames.
yeah,
you
sure.
can't. You got a set limit of pairs that you got to put on there. They're doing it purposely to try to take money off it. So they're forcing everyone to go there. Whereas before it wasn't like that. Basically, we were running all of this. Thank you, brother. We were running all of this for free.
Well, maybe I pay for it for now and then see if I can get a deal on Black Friday.
For the what? For TradingView.
Because they give you a month free, don't they?
Do the 30. That's it. Do the 30-day free trial. Activate it,
Yeah.
and then you wait. You run it down. When it gets to the last 5 days, they're going to say, "Would you like to continue with this discounted price?" Refuse. Refuse until the day you got to cancel. Well, when it stops. On that day, you'll see they'll probably give you 30, 40, 50% off.
Okay.
It
Oh,
varies.
yeah, I remember that.
It
Yeah.
varies per student. Some people can get 60% off. Some people have cancelled it and complained, and they've got 60% off. So it really does depend. So that's
But
a
it's
good way.
obviously worth getting because obviously otherwise you wait for the alerts all the time or physically watching.
Yeah,
the
the
camera.
alerts,
Yeah.
the alerts are a game changer. But I also saw you told me about those 30 pairs.
Yeah,
That I didn't, that
Yeah.
is also a new thing.
yeah. You can only work on 30 pairs. No
Yes,
more.
sis, that was a thing. So by the way, look, so now we're in that trade, right? Same one that was on the chart, the one that I've sent out, we're in. And so they limit it. Yes, they limit it to 30 pairs. So you can't even add like cryptocurrency. You can't even add the other. A lot of the indexes you can't add. They're very, very crafty, man. Managing my account, thinking I knew better. I didn't know better, man. I was just getting rinsed.
Because Conrad told me to open an account with maybe like £300,
Hmm.
and I did, and that's gone because of gold. I traded gold,
Oh.
and it was so weighty.
Yeah.
It blew me out, and I didn't know.
Yeah, that one you can't play games with God, and I would never. That's why you don't ever see me hardly trade it, and you never see me tell people
No,
to
you
trade
don't.
gold.
But again, it was
Yeah.
just a pattern that I saw, and I thought, okay, I'll give it a go.
Unfortunately, people are still hell bent on trying to conquer. You can't conquer something that's never been conquered by anyone. I once said to people that I know two incredibly successful traders in my life, right? Very incredible. Retired, done well, da-da-da. The one thing they did not trade was what?
Gold.
And they said they know very successful people who never traded gold because you're going to lose.
It was your fault anyway for told me to put it on there in the first place.
If it weren't for you, we're flying. Check your trades. We're in look, alert. Boom. So I got to put a message out to
Oh yes.
the rest of the team. So look, you're seeing in the flesh, right? Remember what I said on there? The signal was at 50, right? 6-1. So we're 10 pips up on this now, and so good. So a message will go out to the team saying secure the trade. So stop loss at entry, and then hold. Or if you're happy, bank. It's going to be now. Look, you're 12 pips up now. You see at the speed. Yeah, at the speed and that how this one particularly moved. And so if you're happy with the money, bank it. If not, hold. But I will help you manage the trade so you understand how to actually take partials and manage the trade correctly so that you don't make any mistakes. The main thing is protect the trade. Stop loss at entry always.
Yeah, generally on the 4, but I think with us we've been on high alert with the Aussie pairs because we knew that the data came out badly for them. So actually, if you zip down to the 30 minutes, well, I just to see a little extra.
Ooh! So every time I tried to put 12 pips, gone to 14 pips now. 14 pips up. Guys, stop loss at entry. You know what you should do? This is what you got to get better at. Yeah, Nish.
Yeah.
You have to partially close. Yeah. Partially close. If you click close, go to close, and you know the actual lot size.
Yeah.
Yeah. Change the lot size, and you'll see the value change.
Do you want to do that?
Yeah, so I'll
Show
you
him.
Let me just do the stop loss.
So yeah, so if I take
16 pips now.
if I
We're
go
up
there,
16 pips.
close, I'll go to minus. I'll close out of that 2 lot. I'll close 1.
Show me a again, sorry, I missed that.
Bring this table
So if I,
closer.
okay, so let's take this one. So close position,
That's it, perfect. Now
and
I
you
can
see that at the top it gives
see
you an
a little
option.
better.
So let's say I want to close. Yeah, so you go 0.0.
Which one? This one?
No,
No, this one we're already in. We're in both. So basically,
Close, and then it only closes 0.06.
Connor, A Swiss, moving as well. It's all moving.
I'll do it afterwards. I'll figure it out.
It's all moving. Yeah. So, yeah, we're in. Obviously, look,
Okay.
VIP. Look, see, Australian
Okay.
AC cell.
Okay.
Yeah,
Let me
and obviously
quickly
I've
see
put
here.
here look, GA buy, and that's the other
A
one.
Swiss also.
To buy,
That's the
yeah,
second.
yeah.
Okay, that's the other one.
Yeah, that's why. You on here, yeah?
Got it. Got it.
Do your entry.
Yeah.
This way, you just gotta hold.
So it's
hold
gotta.
something.
Okay. Okay.
Hopefully,
All right.
you'll be okay. Let's see as we get closer.
Okay. Okay. So I think I'm just gonna join the VIP and then wait for your confirmation and then take a trade. Oh, I'll call later.
Yeah. So look, chart up, do your own stuff as well.
Yeah.
But when I chuck stuff on there
Yeah.
with a chart and explain whatever,
Yeah. Yeah.
you'll know, right? Look, this was GJ. Remember I said we took a loss in this.
Yeah,
Look,
yeah.
so I explained. Look, see, 4-hour bearish spinning top. Yeah, that's what we saw.
Okay.
Off the minor and 61.8,
Yeah.
bigger degree ascending channel to break down, and the weekly supports this bias. But look, price blitz past our confirmations with the 1 hour left. And with 1 hour left of the current 4-hour candle to close, it will close as the bullish engulfing. So let's get out in case this continues to rally, which it did, an extra 100
Okay.
pips.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
so I can't play games with this. So that's seeing this me giving the reasoning as to why we even got out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Right. So am I in a better position because I entered later?
Which one?
In
Yes,
this?
you are. Yes,
Yeah,
you're in a
okay.
better position.
Okay.
So if you see the signal and you're at a better price, even better.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm only sending it out like I took that one that I sent out because I'm looking at it now.
Right.
Right. If I see it, I send it out straight whatever price is there.
Okay.
It's all starting to make sense. It's all in the same area.
Right.
Yeah. So it's telling you it's going to go down.
Right. Okay. Okay. Okay.
And so that's why we took the trade.
Okay. Got it. All right. So it's okay to look down, like go down to the 30, because
You can, but not. I would say no. Stick to mainly the 1 hour.
Okay.
But I went to fine tune because remember I can't make a mistake.
Right,
I have
right.
a lot of people earning
Correct.
off the back of this and risking
Yeah.
their money. So
Right,
I need to fine tune to make sure that entry is on the money.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
I don't want to be responsible for people losing money or anything if it's in my control.
Correct,
Right?
correct.
And that's in my control. Getting those ultimate entries is in my control. So that's
Right.
why I would go down to 30 minute just to pinpoint and fine tune
Okay.
that entry. You won't have
Okay.
to. 1 hour, 4 hour is your go-to. Your go-to.
Doesn't. Okay. Okay. So you get the alerts. So
So I can continue to do what I'm doing.
without.
Ping, ping, ping. Then I check.
Right. Right.
So you know what's looking at your phone,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And that doesn't mean you got to get into the trade. It means now it's check. Yeah. And that's a good example. So Nish, look, same thing I was telling Harsh. So my trading view alerts, it comes up. That's the benefit of having that next step up. So you go about the rest of your life, do whatever you're going to do.
Yeah, well, I'm not
And
at
as
the
soon
moment.
as, yeah, of course.
All the time.
Like one time last year during Brotherhood, yeah, or the Man Cave, yeah, my phone pinged, yeah. So I just stepped away for 10 minutes to do my thing, yeah. Oh, no one's going to understand why you're doing it, and they're not going to understand what you do. But that's okay. It's not our business. It's not our fault, and it's also not their business, you know. But step away, check. Okay, cool. That one I was in trades, so just to make sure everything's running according to plan. Yes, good to go. Yeah, and if it's not, make a decision, come out. Or if you're not in a trade, something that potentially may turn into a trade, you got to do your work. Yeah. So in that moment, I'm speaking to you. Yeah, speaking to you, speaking to the other lot. What we think? Are we thinking we're ready? Good to go? Cool. Let me start writing it up, and then done, and I go back. Yeah, and then you got to trust in your analysis so that you can concentrate on whatever you're doing,
Yeah.
not having to concentrate on this.
Yeah.
You only start to look at you when there's only one reason why you're going to keep looking at your phone like this all the time,
Draw down.
because you're panicking.
yeah, because you're
panicking.
That's what I'm doing all day. That's what I'm
Yeah. And you start getting, your heart starts beating,
Yeah,
heart
yeah,
starts beating, you start sweating in places you never thought you could sweat.
Not speak to your missus.
But it's true, isn't it? It's true.
No, but you said that at the beginning, and I was like, okay, all right. Psychology and strategy, okay. They were two things that I remember.
Yeah, 100%, man. Cool, like that. So then you just got to find setups. So I know, look, they're the two setups that I've got are the only two marked on my chart. So they're the only two for today, even though all these pairs. And they're the exact same two that we took and that we profited from.
Okay, got it. Understood. Well, kind of understood.
Yeah. But that's it. This is all it is. You know, like what I remember. We was at the session. Sorry, guys. Remember we was at the session. And we was around that table. Yeah. And I said it's looking like. What did we say for Australian dollar for the week? For the all the Australian dollar weeklies. Look, I'll go to it. Yeah. I'll take this off. It was the weeklies that was it weeklies or was it? It was weeklies. So for example, AU to go down. Yeah. It was, yes, look, Hanging Man, EA to go down. GA, bearish engulfing to go down. So we said it was going to be Australian dollar strength.
Right.
Look what happened today? Australian dollar strength. But all of that was planned from Sunday. Executed on Tuesday, you earn, and that's it. So had we have caught that 200 pip move earlier today, we're done for the week. I would have told the boys, that's it. Don't have to do anything else. We're done. Yeah, let's just enjoy ourselves. In my opinion, they were better traders back then, before this hype, social media, because you had to learn. Yeah, it was, and so they just became better because it was raw, you know. And in trading floor, I was ruthless in the sense that I wanted them to do well, right? But I'm not going to accept, that I've told you something once, twice, and then you've done it for the third time and messed up. I've told you, you know, we're all grown people, we're adults. We've got to learn to control ourselves, yeah. And they were on it, and they were testing and trying anything. We would have challenges. Who's going to make the most pips out of trading Mexican peso? There was once a trade we was in, the Turkish lira, and we was in the trade for about 4 days, and the spreads went in our favor, and it ended up paying us like £1,500 in our favor. Okay.
Man like Priyesh.
Yeah.
It's that kind of day, yeah?
That
Mike
kind of
Top,
Come on,
you
man.
know, what are you saying?
Come on, bro. All good. You?
My grandma, bro. You're right. You must be the guy from Cape Town. Yeah? I was in your country.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
had a great time.
He was there.
I was there last week.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we were in Cape Town, and then we went to Josie, and then
Oh, awesome.
it was fun. My brother, always good to see you, man. What are you saying?
All good, bro. All good. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on.
Fully decked up, man. Yeah, this is it.
Is it?
Yeah.
When I stay here, you have that whole
The new Sony Alt Tower is doing its thing, you know.
From
Bro, this is
I was
the
thinking-
state of the art machine.
Something, yeah?
continuously. You don't move.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, shall we?
Do your thing.
So baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a.
Leanne was such a big part to play in my Dubai existence. Yeah, she was single-handedly the reason why I have, I guess, an easier life here. You know, because I see it, I get it. Everyone is lonely, people struggle, people are depressed, people struggling for work, all the usual jazz, right? And people find it really difficult to find groups of people who are like-minded to them, right? And because Kai is very much like me, free spirit. So we go back from music days, we go back decades. Yeah, because I was a recording artist, that was my music name, Strikey. And so we go way back. And then, so yeah, she was out here in Dubai, and she's been forcing me for years, pretty come Dubai. And so I come in and out. Yeah, I can't do a permanent thing here. Yeah, but I can do an in and out. I did a permanent thing with my family at one point, but nah, just not for us. And so, yeah, and then so we was with, and so Leanne is literally one of the biggest reasons how my life has been comfortable here. purely because she makes a lot of effort, because she knows me to put me in touch with the right people, take me to the right places, do the right things. Kai the connector, right?
Yeah, the connector. Yeah.
And so she does all that, and so that's why it's been mildly easy for me in that sense. And yeah, just always, all day, every day. You can ask these boys how much we've done in one day. It's just great. Like, meet so many people. Everyone just wants to come and catch up, coffee, and obviously do a little bit of work at the same time. Make sure everyone's happy, eating well. Yeah, you connect with certain people who just get it. And in terms of content, when I'm not with these guys and I need content filmed or I need something done, just tell Lee, do me a favor, I need this done like this.
Yeah.
She just gets it.
Yeah.
She gets it. Whereas everyone else, it just doesn't work, man. It doesn't work. And so that's why I'm like, Lee, make sure you're free. Come on, we've got work to do. We've got things to do. Yeah. Sure, I'm coming. I'm gonna pick you up. No. And then she'll come. It's the bloody traffic. Yeah. I'm gonna take a picture and I'm gonna send it to Kai. She's gonna, where are you now? Yeah. I thought you were here. What are you doing there? Yeah. I'm gonna take a picture.
She's gonna freak out.
But she deserves her flowers, you know.
She does.
She does. She deserves her flowers, you know. And
She does.
yeah, I want her just to do well, man, because she deserves it.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving
All right, guys. So yeah, look, a little quick. Don't look at. Be normal. Look at me. So,
Coming before you say it, after you say it.
anytime. Just walk in. All right, guys. So look, a little bit of it behind the scenes, and we are here with the. Look at this. Everyone is involved with the fabulous MKO. We are currently shooting an advert / trailer for Sony's brand new speaker, which you can see here. And so, look, yeah, we're just prepping and getting ready for the main man to do his second part. And so, yeah, keep it locked. So, the brand new Sony
pain away.
speaker.
That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death.
Aha, you're going to have that security come on your door. Excuse me, sir, please, down. Put the music down. I don't know. It just came out like that. Excuse me, please. Help me. I want income streams. I want to learn investing. I want to learn trading. Don't say it to me if you haven't got the means to actually do it. Simple as that.
Sometimes I think that giving people drive, passion, those ingredients that's the hardest thing to learn. Rather than, like, anybody can pick up a book and learn, like, trading or learn.
You can't though.
You can learn it, but when you've got that drive and passion, you can do anything.
So when you've got drive and passion,
fuel.
when you have drive and passion, doesn't mean you're gonna be successful at it. No. People have the drive and passion for football. They're not the best in the world. Yeah, they just about make it out of their conference league. It's not that. Yeah, what it is at least you've got the right attitude. Your mindset's right. You want it. Some people are just not gifted with the talent. Yeah. Some people are just not made to trade, bro. Yeah. They're just not made to trade because they've got internal demons. They might think they're patient until they're impatient. They might think I'm not greedy till you become greedy. Yeah? I'm not going to get involved until you fear the fear of missing out. I might get involved. How many people have come to me and say, "Oh, Pri, should I get involved in Bitcoin?" Brother, at the all-time high. Are you insane? You're getting in at the pinnacle, Pico, top Mount Everest.
Because they feel they're missing out.
You see? Yeah. So you didn't want to climb Mount Everest at the bottom, but you want to get involved in the Pico top. Good luck with that. Because everyone who tries to go to Mount Everest dies. Good luck. Yeah? And so everything in life, guys, is about choices and decisions. Simple as that. I do my bit. I say what I got to say. I show it. Yeah? But it's up to you how if you want to make a difference in your life. Because no one's going to force you. No one's got a gun to your head. Right?
I remember one of my friends got into Ethereum when it was $50.
and he bought the hell out of it. And I was the one who got him hooked on it. Millie at the early days. He also bought Bitcoin at maybe $500 or whatever, and he held it until it got to $60-something thousand.
Wow.
But when I did mine, I lost my key or whatever.
You told me, I remember.
I told you
On the
that,
interview,
right?
you told me, yeah.
Yeah, I did say that, and then after that, you just lose.
You lose interest.
You lose interest.
Yeah.
But then when I went back on it, it wasn't the right time, and you lose interest
Even more.
So exactly, even more. But then you have people that they just got into it the first time, and it just.
And so something that you said was quite important there, yeah? So you never got involved early, you missed out, and then you didn't hear about it again, because when things are low and cheap, no one's involved.
Yeah.
When everything's high and expensive and people are talking about it, because that's when you heard about it again, and then you did get in, but now you're at the top, and then you collapse, right? That's what it is. And so it really is, you have to really know certain things. When it comes to financial markets in general, yeah? The one thing that you have to understand and know is your timing.
Yeah.
You have to know your timing. You don't know your timing, you will lose.
100%.
Yeah? You will lose. This is not...
Which is where people like you who are expert comes in, isn't it?
Yes, because I will tell you, yeah, when to get in, when to get out. You can ask these guys about accuracy levels. Ask them about accuracy. How accurate it's got to be, because think about how long I've been doing it, right? This December is 15 years. How many cycles I've run through?
No, I mean like...
But you say that, but my mom never got me involved in this until I was 25. And so when she got me into it, and I was obviously, when I eventually started to do well, I would say, Mum, why didn't you tell me earlier? Yeah? She goes, you know what? Because you wasn't ready. And so when it comes to now, there was a wicked clip that I was doing a session with my students one Sunday, about 6-7 months ago. My mum was staying in my home. Yeah, this was in Latvia. And these guys were all on a call. And we was doing something, and my mum didn't know we was on a call. So she came in the room, she goes, oh, Priyesh, quickly, just quickly put this on, please. Gave me a couple of stocks, checks. And she's like, okay, yeah, that looks all right. Maybe we should close that. Yeah, and yeah, okay. So my students got to see in the flesh how my mum, real time. And then I was giving my mum advice, because I look after her stuff now, right? And I go, Mum, look, let's close off this one. Yeah, let's keep this many shares, and I think it's going to go to here. And she goes, okay, cool, do it, close it. Yeah, bank it. And she just walked out, and all the students was like, what? That is so cool. And I was like, yeah, and that's just how it is, right? And yeah. All my foundations in life that set me up to where I am now, it's my mom.
I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got
In 2024, my company outperformed every every hedge fund, bank, and institution in the world. And we closed off 572% in 2024. When I told my mum, 11 stocks, over 100%. Remember, we're accredited, so it's all documented, yeah? Yes, we have to. By law, I'm audited, right? Yeah. So, when I told my mum, I go, Mum, by the way, smashed out 100%. She doesn't believe me, because it's not normal. They don't believe me. It's not normal. And with the message when we was in a coffee shop, the message I got from Rax, this message we got from Rax, another one of our students, yeah. In 2025, we've released 8 stocks, all in profit, yeah. But thank you messages of the amount of money they earn, and like just appreciation. And these are the things that you know what, yeah.
You're doing something right.
Yeah. Because the truth be told, I don't have to do this. I could have retired a long time ago, yeah. But I'll be bored. I wouldn't know what to do. And when you're at a certain...
You get a rush from it because it's something you enjoy doing and it comes easy
Yeah.
to you as well.
And that's my lane. So when people say, Priyesh, why didn't you get involved in this? Why didn't you get involved in this? You know what? Thank you, but that's just not me. I know my lane. That's my lane.
And it works.
That's it. And so, and everyone's always like, wow, so you just be doing it year in, year out. Bro, if the car's not broken, don't try and fix it.
That's right.
See, what my dad used to do, you see the microwave? We used to buy the microwave. He said, let me undo it and try to fix it again. Always mess up. My mum was fuming all the time.
Why would you though?
Yeah, my dad, he's just one of those ones when he wants to fix it. He got nothing to do. Yeah, let me just try and fix it. Yeah, so I learned, listen, Pri, if the car's not broken, Don't try and fix it. You stick to do what you want. Because everything in financial markets, everything's a pattern. And patterns repeat. And every single thing you see in the world, in terms of wars, tariff, all of these things you see, nothing is by chance or coincidence. Everything happens for a reason, because the stock market makes the world go round. Yeah? Trump Towers, the top 2 floors of Trump Towers, all traders. All traders, yeah? So do not think for a second they don't know what they're doing. They know exactly. And so when all these things happen and wars happen and all these people suffer and people lose money, you call it collateral damage. And so that's just how it is. And so me, I don't care about governments. I don't care about politicians. I don't care about presidents, prime ministers. I don't care, because I can't affect anything. I can't affect anything. So what I do, I just copy them. I got to look after myself and my family, no? So I'm not going to be the type of person to be online and start moaning and complaining. Simple as that. Because financial markets is simply the transfer of wealth from the impatient to the patient. I'm patient.
Hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is $10. Stop all that